Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the TV and your phone, then connect both to the same Wi-Fi network so they can see each other. Make sure the Tcl Android TV is signed into your Google account and has the latest system and app updates. Once done, open the Google Home or the app you plan to cast from on your phone. This establishes the control channel. Do this now so the TV advertises its built-in Chromecast and appears in your phone's cast list. Next, open a cast-enabled app like YouTube or Netflix and tap the cast icon, then select your Tcl Android TV from the device list to begin streaming. If you want to mirror your entire phone, open Google Home, select the TV device and choose Cast My Screen. This sends the phone display to the TV. If the TV shows a pairing code, confirm it on your phone so the connection is secure. During playback, you can pause, scrub, or change quality from the app on your phone. To finish, tap the cast icon again and choose Stop Casting, or use Google Home to end the session. This cleanly releases the TV. You control volume from the TV remote, phone, or within the casting app, and you can switch inputs on the Tcl if you need to return to other sources. If casting fails, restart router, TV, and phone and verify both devices are on the same network band. That restart fix resolves most issues by...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.